my channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. This is mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that is what you're looking for, you have found it. So you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already a doll baby, hi doll baby. How are you? Welcome back. So happy to have you here. Before we get started, I wanted to share with you, if you haven't picked this up yet, I'm pretty sure this video is going up soon, but if you haven't picked this up yet, try out this BH Cosmetic Drop Dead Gorgeous Little Bit Psycho palette. It was their Halloween release. This is what it looks like. I have it on my eyes today. It is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So anyway, that's just a little public service announcement. Today I'm doing a wig tip videos, and this is the pros of wearing wigs. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and stick around. These are in no particular order. One of the pros of wearing wigs is it does save time. Once you get the wig together and you have it looking like you want it to, like this particular wig out of the package, I didn't even put heat on it. I put some powder in the part. That was it. It took like 2 minutes, okay? So it can save you a lot of time, especially if you have unruly hair, long hair, hard to manage hair. Wigs can help save time. Number 2, they can preserve your hair. So I have alopecia. Since I've been wearing wigs, my hair underneath is actually a lot healthier than it was when I wasn't wearing wigs. So that is a great benefit to wearing wigs. Number 3 is you can still wear your natural hair. Like I rock my natural hair. It's very short. It's all shaved on the sides. It's blonde on top. I rock my natural hair all the time. But if I want to do this, I can do this. My little owl. I'm obsessed with owls. And if I want green hair, if I want red hair, if I want straight hair, if I want curly hair, I can do whatever I want, which is so fun and awesome. So it can limit some shedding as opposed to if you use Sewins. So if you're someone who does Sewins, you can get a lot of shedding, and wearing wigs is going to reduce that quite a bit. Wigs save time in general, but especially like if you have a bad hair day, I mean, wigs can really help you out. Not only does it save time, but it just saves you from a bad hair day, which is awesome. They're weatherproof styles. Synthetic wigs, if this gets wet, it's going to look the same as when it's not wet. It's just going to look the same because it's synthetic fiber. It's not actual human hair. So this is the shape that it's in. So it doesn't matter if it's hot out, if it's raining, if it's cool, whatever. It's going to look the same exact all the time. Along the lines with the Sewins, it's less damage to your hair than extensions, especially if you're doing like sew-in or tape-in extensions. This isn't going to damage your natural hair as much. It also gives a versatility. You know, if you put in a sew-in or extensions, you're kind of locked into whatever that style or length is. Wigs gives you way more versatility. And last but not least, it's very vibrant colors. Like in order to get this vibrant green color, it would be really difficult on your natural hair. And if you did achieve it, like the maintenance, the keep up, like it would fade this way. This is never changing color. This is going to be the color it is. You can get crazy awesome color, and you don't have to worry about touch-ups. You don't have to worry about if it's going to damage your hair. You can change up the color if you want to be green one day and you want to be blue the next, or you want to do some type of ombre. You don't have to worry about the process that it would take to do that to your natural hair. Those are some pros of wearing wigs. If you have additional pros, go ahead and put them down below. If you have another Wigs 101 or Wigs Tip video topic that you would like me to cover, go ahead and put that down below. I have a full Wigs 101 and Wig Tip playlist down below, so check that out. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!